nero eduka cholide ili kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo iyo korose chirangi mense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyigo chire chichi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabondo mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil ya bwigo chiriya chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati wekari guri iriya bantabati bwigo imeya uru superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo wochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani wochoganiri erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya uru superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwa yanyora bwikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi nabwigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya uru superstores yego tokase enyumba ya uru complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyuerange neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Getembe Television Ekeonga Kiamamogusi.
Maragoba miana ndo mwancho murigiriro Getembe TV nigo cyaragire Chinsa Ikomi cyabona maragoba nitukuri ari Hamisi kitariki 22 na kwariganire SMS Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi ngomanye gati ya na kwariganire anana mono korwa chi county 42 Chinsa ya Kenya county ya Kisii ne county ya Nyamira chitaratu wa mage kabana into Ikomi Mwancho murigere Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi togo chaka ningana yogo ichane kuri bungeria nyari bari masaba abo masimba yasokere na maganda amagiyanda manene yemagega y'umwana wabo munyaruka nande ogosome skuri y'abanyaruka nyombaga kwete ase chinchira chibo
pero toke nyomba ichu nyomba utamanya kaneti nkaimoka no mwana my brother Eric Simeon Ondeli tukagenda bako ichuni katweka ichuni tukanyora pasigari barusi yo mobeyo banyure moche
twanyore kama ngana yo kukwaye kazinje yo shanga sana bamunga bakora kwanda kwa ndingi kya muri tukanyora iri moche sindikate
Sandi mwana iyo nagacha feria jamoni
Ngamaji zibutana kante nyakitari ya kujira. Wakataka akantaka simi akatono. Kamuri akatono wajua singana kata. Nasi kulumo saa. Kante ngajua hangene kama 5,000 kani akaenda nanjenga ndi chiyo. Niko ajumufura sili simioni. Monday morning akambora. Katika ngatema tajindi kila simali. Kanzara yufura sili ya kabiri. Nganyo ilipodi kwa jango mano josile bono gonsi kumanya ngiangi ngizeto mwa
chano kunene kiagera nonyo kurukuo mwalimu konyora tarariko nikibarua tato mwabo gaiga tabuga tino ekende abwato koboko komo tabuga tino ene shiringi to era tokonya iga una toriga turi twenyare tinto buga tikende in short agitwari ko sabanga.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati rolling mills eyuko yabwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achabwirigirie amabati anda umsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkare eyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati yiga ntobwate team tembo abo bagokolemiremo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati rolling mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunamono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asimigo babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati alia ye chigage emerongibere na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na boigo web design babwate yigani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukonyagwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochkunyaraka bo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabati yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase ouru MRM showroom onyareka bogo kwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo uchane warrant na boigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango eduke yiga ya ouru superstores yego toka se enyumba ya ouru complex imiyumu chuligo busongo iyo erangene eduka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwe transit number chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Mwanche murigerere togosaba kwabera igoro yo gutantana kwerio gierio korende tokoirana bosyo nigo asetara yaye yorogongo rwa coast munenchira yamo yo korotota na boigo koroberi korotota na bogo chake meroberi aya magendro ritukore gatana rero muraibensi ya Kenya Moske Dr. William Samoei Ruto atara goika account ya Lamu ergo chake bwagachi nyomba chiri goriense na boigo kwena na west magocha ase binyora satebe kirenge kenene gose serikali yaye nigibebe getemeroberi yo chukana kyabuna ensi ya Kenya gose nsemote yo ensi ya Kenya irache gotugeta bwati estima na boigo amagendro ayo abekire ere no mukonyo ye Professor Kithure Kindiki.
Department of Housing, I'll take you through the Mokoya affordable housing. We have a total number of 468 units. We distributed in 7 blocks. We have a block A as well as block B in terms of provision for social, affordable and market unit.
na fundi mwenyewe nambari 1, Rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya, anawekelea jiwe la msingi, foundation stone ya Mkoe affordable house. Wale waliojihisi walibaki nyuma kama Lamu, lazima tuwainue ndio wawe sambamba na Kenya ingine. Tutembee tukiwa pamoja. Ni sawa si sawa? Ndio nikaamua ya kwamba ile ubaguzi wa zamani wa kusemekana ukiwa mtu wa Lamu, wewe kupata kitambulisho ni kizungumkuti mkubwa sana. Unaulizwa maswali kutoka hapa mpaka Johannesburg. Mimi nikasema hiyo maswali tutazima. Vile wananchi wengine wanapatiwa kitambulisho Kenya ile ingine, pia watu wa Lamu wapatiwe hivyo hivyo. Tunawajengea fish landing site. Mahali tumeweka milioni 240. Pale tunaweka barafu ama cold rooms. Tunaweka pale mambo ya processing. Tunaweka pale mambo ya storage. Ndio mkileta samaki kutoka huko ufuoni, tuhakikishe ya kwamba samaki zenu hasiharibiki. Tuwe na processing mzuri.
Mwanche morigereria tutigaritega bwase kaunti ya Lamu abo waziri nabo igabarai ao kora serikali bayiri baikira naso moyegoyo wakora wano mu waziri ori mining umuske Al Hassan Johon amonori wechi gosori na mangana yabasae umuske Salim Muvura ni igo bayire murai wense mbya mona sebono baburi abakenya bonsi kumubwate sia murai wense bunenchere yamo yokubwatira abakenya nabo igo kwenekia agosekoreta amagendro ase chinsemo imeyense ya Kenya umugavana we kaunti ya Lamu umuske Aisa Timami nere nigere niri murai wense mbya mona ase korusia usasa kubarora beria amachiko yokwena no kwibande nabo igo chi passport asorogongorwa North Eastern.
Tukimalizana na usawa wa kimaendeleo, ameweka agenda ya usawa wa kisiasa. Umeelewa? Pimeni hii kuunganisha wa Kenya, kupigana na ukabila, kukataa udini na kuchanganya watu na rangi na ukabila. It gives us an opportunity kwa watu ambaye wanatoka makabila machache kuwa na wao pia wana uwezo siku moja kuwa rais wa nchi hii. Tumeelewana? Nyinyi hamtaki kutoa rais hapa? Ndao hamtaki? Hamtaki? So tuungane na William Ruto, rais wetu, kuunganisha wa Kenya.
Kwa hivyo tutaendelea kukuunga mkono, na jambo la muhimu zaidi ni ya kuunganisha wa Kenya. Wewe ndio rais ambaye umetambua kwamba kuna wakati wa kufanya siasa na wakati wa maendeleo, kila Mkenya aweze kuingia katika program ya maendeleo. Na haswa vile ambavyo umelete viongozi wa upinzani, yule mpinzani wako mkubwa Prime Minister Raila Odinga sasa naye yuko ndani ya serikali kupitia broad-based government. Na sasa timu yote imekuwa ni timu Kenya, tunachezea Kenya, na wewe ndio namba 10 wa kutufungia mabao.
Namshukuru rais kwa kutondoshea hii idhilali ya kuwekewa mambo ya vetting. Hii ni kuleta umoja na kila mwananchi awe anaangaliwa kama mwananchi wa Kenya. Hakuna mwananchi wa Kenya A na Kenya B. Sote ni wananchi wa Kenya. Kwa hivyo kiwa yule mwingine haulizwi vetting, na sisi pia
Mwanche mborigereria tutigarite asenseme ya siasa nigo bono muraiwe kiama kirikiana Kenya musubati Martha Karua agendere okora maunchira se kiamekyo asabono achenchiririe ta koruna Kenya goika People's Liberation Party asabono atabire kirenge kenene no koreta abakenya amo nabo igo gochenchia erangiye kiamekyo gochia area papo gati abarai kure serikali bakarona Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka kijana wa Maro rigatiga shagwa Mama Mabonyonga nabo igo murara kebasone gati yabari baikirana asomo yegabugo cha kevene kiamekyo nichiga nichingwana chabo anene mono kerebekirana ase omoyigoyo.
Mimi nina azma ya kuwa rais wa Kenya, but that is the will of God. It is God that gives leadership. It is not me to give it to myself. If you become our president ahead of me, ile kitu peke yake naomba ni kiti ya anti-corruption. Mimi and I want to work for free. I don't want to be paid. nipatie tu hiyo kiti ya EACC na uzime simu. Uniwache mimi.
Honorable Fred Matiang'i is finishing his work in the next 1 month. He will be here to join you. He wishes all of you the best. He hopes you will give him an opportunity to serve as president. But if he doesn't become president, he is willing to work with you and support whoever that this group will pick as a presidential candidate. Thank you so much. And God bless you. And finally, I want to say this. Rigiji and the team, come to Kisii. We are waiting for you. PLP!
June 25. If it meets with the approval of the young Kenyans, the Gen Zs, we will, Mother and our colleagues here, declare, because that is the true liberation day for purposes of fighting injustice and saying no to abductions and saying no to stealing of our resources and saying no to impoverishing our people. We will declare June 25th a public holiday. That is a proposal. And I can't wait to see, because you cannot wish that away. Our young people are still angry, but they have become the inspiration to the world.
With what has been said here, let us continue strengthening our parties, mobilizing our support, and the right time we'll sit down and come up with a formula to craft a lineup of leadership that will liberate this country and restore the dignity of the Kenyan people. We have a responsibility to unite and liberate the payslip, dignify the payslip. The middle class who are the
As People's Liberation Party, we are not just rebranding to have a new look. We are also renewing our commitment to the people of Kenya. Our commitment to place your needs first, to fight, to unite and liberate Kenya, to stand with other leaders in order to accomplish this. The task ahead of us cannot be accomplished by one person or one political party. It's a task for all people of goodwill. You may wonder, how are we going to do this? I've expressed.
Mwanche morigereria togoska bosioni gobono magega yo munyanyimbo yomo bari bachete Haiti bunenchira ya moyo kone kyo moremba sense yo gusiro bugima ni gobono mu waziri bo borende boime umoske kipchumba muri komen atebre nige serikali erache kubote se ya matayaya anana mono chinga kichiga bari no bokendu obonge chinga kichecho ni go moske kipchumba agikerege kora sabanta abamo batuguta egoto bosibo chi abisi ya Kenya Power na gotabanige serikali erache gokoro botuki na bari baranyora kane bakoteri mocherio kwemukirwa egetambuka.
Our police officers that have gone to Haiti are now up to 700 and is it 44? Yeah, 744. And so far they are doing a fantastic job to restore law and order. They are not alone. Although the Kenyan contingent is the largest, they are not working alone. We have troops from Ecuador, we have Jamaica, we have Dominican Republic. An incident occurred and we lost one of our officers. The family was informed, the protocols were followed, and we are in the process of making sure that we will do everything possible to support the family during this difficult time. And I want to assure the people of Kenya that despite that setback, you know, the country and our officers are doing a fantastic job. Dumping of waste at KPLC offices, first of all, that is primitive. That is unacceptable. There is a consensus in the country that that was the most primitive thing anyone can ever do. And we actually condemn that behavior in the highest terms possible. From day one, the National Police Service responded, responded from the very day one. Perhaps we did not do the publicity as it should be, but at a very highest level.
Mwanche morigereria gwikiraga bunongo chwikire mware wekionga Chinsa Ikomi asenchira yo bongo mware korenda yo munayanda mange no nyore Chinsa ibere na Chinsa nyeche botko warera asenchira yo bwikirano no yo Minto Clinton ondi nchenga tere Nyaboga Wilson makorokora sense mere banyeriro na boigo Kevin Ongeri ne robebega kweneke buna chibiche chigana mara wingo ikirachira asenchira yo bwikirano twakusabeire oborigire borobia asomoro buri bwekirano ogochiko kochira sembyo asigika gitare getambe orache koreto asmore na makopio ongorogo kebacha na boigo DJ Top kukumbusha kenda kubwatia na gochengere merobe ya Getembe TV eribwe goke wesemi na boigo bwimanya bye bye tumirane ritkoria angya asemesa Ekeonga nandi.
Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka echolide ilikuwa tukachirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira soko raisia ebintu biria bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boigo chire chichi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nigwa amavuta yani oil na boigo chiria chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire cheri guririke iriria gatigati wekariguri iria bantabatinu boigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo wochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani wochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora wikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi na boigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorolekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduka yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyueranga neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani. Nilan Hub, niye moye